In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add view bobbing to your first-person game. As you can see, I'm already starting out with a standard first-person controller. If you don't know how to make one, I will put a link in the description of this video. First, let's define some variables. The first one is a constant named bob frequency. This one will determine how fast and how often the head will bob. The second is also a constant named bob amplification. This just decides how extreme the curves will be. And the last variable is just a normal variable named tbob, and this is just to keep track of time. Then we're going to create our process function and add these two lines. The first one was to keep track of time, of course, so we're gonna add delta every single frame. We're gonna multiply that by velocity.length, so it runs slightly faster when your movement speed increases. You can also multiply that by float, is on floor, to check if you're not in the air. The second line is to equal the camera position equal to this function we're going to create and pass it the variable tbob. In the function, you're first going to create a variable named position, which we're going to equal to the camera position later. Then position.y and position.x we're going to equal to these two formulas, which will just make a standard sine wave. The y position of that graph will be equal to the camera's position, so that when the formula goes a bit like this, your head will move up and down. Gonna do the same for the x coordinates, but slightly less, because we don't want your head to move or shake a lot. Yeah, and that's the tutorial. Now you have fully functional head bobbing for your first person game.